From Instagram to email newsletters, blog posts to YouTube videos, trying to ensure your brand shows up everywhere can feel overwhelming. Worse yet, inconsistent messaging across platforms can confuse your audience and dilute your brand's impact. What if there was a way to unify your messaging seamlessly? That's where integrated content strategy comes in. In this lesson, we'll cover what an integrated content strategy is, why it's essential, and how to build one for your brand. By the end, you'll know how to unify your messaging, tailor content to fit different platforms, and create a strategy that drives measurable results. What is an integrated content strategy? An integrated content strategy is a comprehensive approach to planning, creating, and distributing content. It ensures consistency across all channels, alignment with specific marketing goals, and think of this as the connective tissue of your marketing efforts. Each content piece, whether a blog post, Instagram carousel, or email, reinforces the same core message while being tailored for its platform and audience. Key components of an integrated content strategy. Know your audience. Demographics, so age, gender, and location. Psychographics, values, interests, and lifestyle. Behaviors, preferred platforms, content consumption habits. For example, a TikTok audience might prefer quick, entertaining videos late at night, while LinkedIn users may engage with professional insights during work hours. Define content pillars. Content pillars are the themes your content revolves around. Align them with your brand's mission and audience interests. So, for example, a wellness brand might focus on mindfulness, fitness, and nutrition. Diversify content formats. Blogs for in-depth storytelling and SEO, videos for high engagement on social platforms, infographics for quick, shareable insights. By mixing formats, you engage a broader audience and keep content fresh. Maintain brand consistency. Use consistent tone, visuals, and messaging across platforms. For example, a playful Instagram tone shouldn't become overly formal in emails. Optimize distribution. Tailor content to each platform. TikTok, short, engaging videos. LinkedIn, thought leadership articles. Instagram stories, behind-the-scenes content. Meet your audience where they are with content that feels natural in that space. Track and iterate. Use analytics tools to measure engagement, leads, and conversions. Refine your approach based on what works and what doesn't. Integrated content strategy is ongoing, not a one-and-done task. Why is an integrated content strategy essential? Well, builds trust and loyalty. A cohesive message builds reliability and professionalism. Boosts efficiency. Work smarter by planning content holistically rather than scrambling to create content for each platform individually. Drives results. Each piece of content works together to move your audience closer to your goals. Here's how to get started. Audience analysis. Understand who you're talking to and what they care about. Define content pillars. Brainstorm content ideas aligned with your pillars. Create a content plan. Think about how each content piece reinforces your brand message while being tailored to its platform. Track and refine. Use data to optimize your strategy and continuously improve. Final thought. An integrated content strategy is your secret weapon for building a cohesive brand presence. Take the first step today by defining your audience and content pillars. From there, expand across platforms with a unified strategy and watch your brand's reach and engagement soar.